President Joe Biden once expressed his determination that his government will take a firm stand against China's territorial claims in international territory. Aircraft Carrier Commander Roosevelt Vice Admiral Doug Verissimo said the presence of 2 aircraft carriers there was aimed at ensuring that we were tactically capable of serving the challenges of maintaining peace. And we can continue to prove to our partners and allies in the region that we are committed to promoting a free and open Indo-Pacific region. The aircraft carriers USS Theodore Roosevelt and USS Nimitz passed in the area accompanied by a number of precision missile-carrying cruisers and destroyers to showcase the capabilities of the U.S. Navy. The U.S. action is intended to create borders between countries, promote militarization in the South China Sea, and undermine peace and stability in the South China Sea. 2 U.S. Navy aircraft carriers are on a mission in the South China Sea, as part of a show of strength against China, which claims almost all of the international maritime territory. China claims almost all of the 1.3 million square miles, 2.08 million square kilometer, of the South China Sea. Since 2014, China has turned the coral cliffs and sandy areas in the area into an artificial island equipped with missiles, airstrips and weapons systems. This action sparked tensions with a number of other countries that also have territorial claims such as the Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei. Last week, in his speech, Biden named China as America's toughest competitor and outlined plans to counter China's attacks on human rights, intellectual property and world order. However, Biden also said America would not act alone against China, in contrast to the era of Donald Trump, who often made China-related policies without consulting other countries in the region. Last Thursday, the U.S. Navy sent the destroyer USS John S. McCain to the Taiwan Strait, and the following day it passed near the Paracel Islands in the South China Sea.